guys, so what is up? Today I'm going to be doing a Stitchfix unboxing haul. Basically what Stitchfix is you pay $20 a month for it and they send you clothing that you can go ahead and wear. So you basically give them what you want to wear and what your style is, and then they assign you a stylist. So a few things, I had one last month, but I wanted to test it out before I posted anything on YouTube. Now, I may do a try on haul depending on how the items fit, or I might just show you guys what they are so that way you can see what I got in there. So of course, they go ahead and give you a couple of things. They give you this bag with a shipping label already prepped. I'm covering it up, so that way if you don't like anything, you can go ahead and send it back to them for free. And then they send you like this little package thing, and it says, "Oh, hello," and then it has this little form. So it gives you all of the items, or it gives you ways that you can actually style the pieces. So I can kind of see like what I got in here. And then this here, it actually tells you the prices of what it is. So honestly, I got over a $200 value, $294 value, and I only paid $20 for the box. So that way I can test these all out. So the first thing that I'm going to check out is this box here, which I'm assuming it's a necklace. Oh no, this came off. And it comes with packaging around it. And it's very heavy, so of course you see the box here. And I don't know. Ooh, it's from Bobble Bar, or I think that's how you say it. And Bobble Bar, okay, let's see how much this one retailed for. So it's this necklace here. I may have to just keep this. And so like if I wanted to buy this, then they'll take the $20 off of this item or any of the other items that you do purchase. So for the Bobble Bar, it is $52. So with my Stitchfix discount that I bought the box for, I would only be paying $32 for this if I decided that I wanted to buy it. Now, I may try it on later and then just repackage it because I don't know how I'm going to like it. So I'm going to keep this handy because it has all the prices. So the next thing that I see are all of these right here. So, and these are going to be all of the clothing pieces. The first one is going to be, I think, a shirt. Ooh, I really like this shirt. It is a button-up striped t-shirt, and it is from the Mine Britain, I think. And it looks like this, and it has a little tie up front, and it is button-up. How much was this one? This one is going to, oh, it's Nine Britain. It's $46, and it looks really, really cute. So I may try this on later. But it looks like that. So if I decided to buy this one, then it would actually be $26. So I would get it for almost half the price. Now if I didn't like it, again, I can go ahead and send it back. Now this one here, ooh, this one's pretty. This one is from the company Skies Are Blue, which I think last box they also gave me something like this. I don't know how I'm going to like it, but this one is Skies Are Blue, and it does have like a triangle detail on it. And it is cute, but I don't think I'd wear it. I don't think I'd even wear it to work. And for most of these clothing pieces, I ask them to like do business casual because of my job. That one is $54. So either way, I would have not bought it in the store, and I don't think I'd still pay $34 for it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and send that one back, no matter how it does fit. Now this one is 41 Hawthorne, and it's a little cardigan, and it's cute. I mean, it's a button up all the way down. It's very soft, very, very soft. I do like it. And the good thing is like these are brand new, so that's good. Now this one, it is $54. So I don't think I'd also buy this this cardigan either. However, they would give you $20 off. And Josh just came in. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
If you don't know, he's my fiance, but yeah. And then these are straight pants for, I guess, slacks by Lila Ryan. And I guess these go to it. It fell off. Now, as I got rudely interrupted, these are the pants by Lila Ryan, and these are kind of, they look too big, but let's see what the price is. They're $88, so I still don't think I would pay $68 for these, but again, like I said, it's a good thing so you can see like what you like, what you don't like, what you can go ahead and buy, what you want to buy. Now again, you do have to send everything back. As far as like the tag still being on them, I'm not too sure. I don't like the prices of these very much, but I do like the style that she went for. Now I could go ahead and tell her that I didn't like the prices that she gave me, and then go ahead and get lower prices. So that is it for this video. I was very impressed with the first one, but I only bought one item, which is a necklace hanging up there. As far as the clothing pieces, I am going to go ahead and try them on. That is it. Cynthia, you did a good job if you're watching, if you can watch, but Stitchfix is a really, really good company, and no, this is not sponsored, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below, and make sure to turn on the post notifications. If you're not new, please make sure to follow me on all other platforms, so that way you guys are also notified whenever I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.